This is for number 1C, chapter 6, practice quiz number 1. And a lot of us are not secure in using fractions, and so when we see fractions, we panic. Oh no, there's fractions. For this one, what can we take out of all the terms? 1 over 9 x squared, which will give me 7x to the 4th minus x to the 3rd plus 2x to the 2nd minus 1.
Pretty obvious.
Yeah, it's obvious to everyone who got it right.
I got it wrong. I got it wrong.
Number 2, negative 2x to the 4th plus 50x squared. This is the difference of two squares, but a little more complex. First of all, what's the most we can take out? Negative 2x squared. And if I take out a negative 2x squared, then what is left is x squared minus 25. And this is still, or is, the difference of two squares. Negative 2x squared, factor, 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 x plus 5, x minus 5. Number 3. 3x to the 4th, y to the 4th, minus 108. What's the most I can take out? 3. X to the 4th, y to the 4th, minus 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 with 1 left over. 3 goes into 18 how many times? 6. Some of us are a little bit slow on dividing, so I wanted to show you how I would think through that division. Now, can we still factor it? Yes, this is the difference of two squares. 3, factor, 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 x squared, y squared, x squared, y squared, 6, 6, plus, minus. We go back and check our negative. Is it still the difference of two squares? No. Number 4. 4x squared y squared minus 12x, sorry, 12x y plus 9. Now, this problem is easiest if you recognize this as a trinomial square. Is it a trinomial square?
Yeah.
What's the square root of 4? 2. What's the square root of 9? 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So, I'm going to factor it. 2xy, 3. What do I want my sign to be? Negative. And negative times a negative is a positive. So my middle term will be negative. My C term will be positive. I make sure I put my little squared up there. Number 5, x squared plus 14x plus 49. Once again, this is a trinomial square. X, 7 squared. I want my sign to be a plus.